There is never a perfect time to take action. Once you understand this, you can let go of the notion that today is not the right day.
For the best professional and personal development solutions, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video.
Magic happens when you start where you are, use what you have, and do the best you can. Life can be challenging. It is easy to feel overwhelmed by the things that you do not have, and the changes you wish to make in your life, but there's something special about taking a situation you're in and making the most of it. It requires creativity, resourcefulness, determination, and resilience. When you start where you are, use what you have, and do the best you can, the results can be magical. There is never a perfect time to take action. There is never a perfect time to launch that project, to spend time with your family, to change your habits. Once you understand this, you can let go of the notion that today is not the right day. The biggest obstacle for most is simply getting started. That important decision to take the first step is all that is needed to make a change. Tell me, what did you do recently, despite not feeling like it, and it turned out to be a game changer in your journey to success?
I have also included other resources to help you get greater insight and tips on this topic. I am always adding new videos to give you the techniques and secrets used by the best in the field. Check them out here so you don't miss out.